Yeah, hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about common computer tasks. So yesterday we have seen how to personalize your desktop, as well as we have seen how to navigate Windows. If you click somewhere, what will happen? These are the things we have checked yesterday. So today we are going to learn about common computer tasks. What is common computer tasks? See, learning how to use a computer can be a feeling of overwhelming. Fortunately, these are some common computer skills that will work the same way in almost any situation. So, once you learn how to use these skills, you will be able to use them to perform a variety of tasks on your computer. So, in this lesson, we'll talk about some common commands you can use in almost any kind of application. So, what is these common tasks? These are nothing but cut, copy, and paste. So most of the application comes with a menu bar, or you can tell every applications comes with a menu bar at the top of the window. Each menu has a set of commands that will perform a specific action within the program. So while each application is different, there are some common commands that work the same way. So no matter which application you are using, wherever you open a program for the first time, try clicking the menus to check what is available. Okay, so let's
Mhm.
start a very common command, cut, copy, paste. See, basically, these common options are available in any kind of application. Create a new file, open existing file, save and save as. So we'll talk about this. Okay. Yes, Mr. Gary, are you there?
Yes.
So these are the most and commonly used command in most of the application. Cut, copy, and paste. So we'll check today. So I'll first let me open. See, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
So this is basically a most commonly used default application of Windows called Notepad. So basically, it is used for writing letters, menus, sorry, biodatas, etc. So
Is it
it has
Microsoft Word?
no. Is this is only a notepad. Microsoft is far away different from this application. This come along with a new operating system, new computer, default application of Windows. Okay, so here you can just write a common text. You don't find advanced formatting option over here. If you check here in the menu bar, a format option, only font formatting is there. What is the meaning of formatting here? Formatting means whatever you write, whatever you have wrote previously, you can give a good appearance to that particular text. That is called a formatting. So that will check in when we start a Word, MS Word, Microsoft Word. Then I will show you there how it works. Okay. So here, talking to the current topic, cut copy paste option, how it works actually. See, let me show you one thing. Most of the people here in this class know what is the use of cut, copy, paste.
Yes.
Okay. I'm just showing this again for Mr. Gary.
Yes.
This is a already written text. So how we use cut, copy, paste option. So cut means, cut option means, for example, I have selected, see, before doing that action, first we need to understand how to select the text, how to select the sentence. Okay. See, Mr. Gary, see,
Yes.
this is the blinking line, horizontal, vertical line you are seeing here, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is actually a cursor,
The
a
cursor.
mouse,
Yeah.
a mouse
Mhm.
cursor. So wherever you put, for example, I want to copy this sentence. So I
Right.
put the cursor over here in the beginning of the text. Now what
Mhm.
I'll press on Shift and Control simultaneously. I will select the, I will press on a right arrow key on my keyboard. So what will the action? The action will be, it will select the sentence from here like this.
Mhm.
Word by word, it can be selected.
Mhm.
Okay, see, like this. Once
Mhm.
again, what I did, I pressed on Control Shift simultaneously. I press on a right arrow key. See, first thing you need to understand here is wherever you put the cursor, like I want to select this
Mhm.
uh this
Mhm.
sentence. Okay,
Mhm.
what I will do now, I will select Control, same keys, Control Shift. Then here I will press on the left arrow key because I'm selecting the left
Mhm.
side sentence. Left
Mhm.
side sentence. If you want to select the right side sentence, then you need to select a right arrow key
Mhm.
like, okay. If
I
you
got
want to,
you.
yeah, this is how the selection of works, the selection of sentence or words works. So now, if you want to select the whole sentence like this, what you
Mhm.
do, simultaneously press on Control Shift and then press on the down arrow key.
Mhm.
Okay, down. Okay, yes.
Mhm.
Sorry, this works only in Word. Sorry, you can use this one, right arrow key and left arrow key, or either you can use your mouse to do this activity. How? Just put the cursor where you want to,
Mhm.
where you want to select the sentence, and press on first, like left mouse button, or you can also call this button as the primary mouse key, primary mouse button.
Mhm.
Okay, like this.
Mhm.
You can select the sentence. Now, what I'll do, I don't want this fun, don't want this sentence to be here. I want this sentence to be at the down. What I'll do,
Mhm.
I'll- after selecting this sentence, I'll press on Control plus X option. Okay, what I
Mhm.
do, I did, I pressed on Control plus X option on my keyboard. So what happened over here after pressing that option, after doing that activity? Whatever the sentence that has been selected previously, it is
Mhm.
cutted from here. Cutted means you can't be see that center or anymore there. What will the next activity then? Now I want that sentence to be pasted here.
Mhm.
So this is only the one time activity. Okay.
Mhm.
After
Mhm.
cutting any sentence, you can replace or move to the different location, other location. So this is the actual function of cut option.
Mhm.
Got it, brother?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. So what now? Moving forward, we'll check about copy function. Copy,
Brother, I have a. You cut it with Control X, but you copied with what?
Control plus V.
Oh,
I pasted with a command called Control plus V. Or you can right click somewhere, like for example,
I do it with mouse, but I didn't know it with Control plus V.
okay,
V for
see,
violin.
yeah, it's shortcut
Okay.
key. So
Okay.
either you can do wherever you want that application. For example, sorry, sentence. I cut from here. Again, I'm moving to the same location. I'll click on my right mouse right button. So one menu will appear. Then you can find an option called a paste option.
Mhm.
Okay, just click on it. It will paste here. So previously, what I did, I used a shortcut key on my keyboard. So now what I'm doing, I am copying this sentence, these phrases. Okay. What
Mhm.
I do, I have just one more time for Mr. Gary. Okay.
Mhm.
Control, Shift, and right arrow.
Right arrow. Mhm.
Okay. So it is what is the act what we perform here? We are selecting the sentence. Okay. Now
Okay.
either you can press on Control Copy or just right click by using mouse right button.
Mhm.
So you can perform this activity by manually, like by right clicking on your mouse button. It
Mhm.
will show you the menu. What are the options available? Cut, copy, paste, delete everything. So now
Mhm.
I'm just using my shortcut key Control C. Control C, perform copy option.
Mhm.
So here, point to be note is whenever you copy anything, it can't be moved from here. It will be there. That particular word or sentence will be there on the original place itself. Why we are copying? Because we need to have more copies of the original one. Actually, okay. That's the reason we are copying that for word or a sentence. Now I'm pasting that previously copied sentences. I have put the cursor on the end of this paragraph. Then
Mhm.
I'm now performing the activity Control V.
Mhm.
Okay, n
Mhm.
number of times, infinity. Okay,
Mhm.
there is no limit. There is no restriction of copy and pasting. Okay,
Mhm. Mhm.
until your system started to run slowly. Okay, this is how it's work. One more time, I'll show you. Okay, see,
Mhm.
I want now I'm performing this activity by using my mouse.
Mhm.
I have just selected my primary mouse button or
Mhm.
left mouse key. By
Mhm.
holding that button, I am dragging like this, selecting like
Mhm.
this.
Mhm.
See, until here, date of joining I have selected. Now
Mhm.
I pressed on Control C option, right? Now again, at the end of this paragraph, I put the cursor. Now I just, okay, now I'll do manually. I right click on the menu,
Mhm.
just click on paste.
Mhm.
So this is how cut copy paste option uh, works.
Mhm.
Can you tell me how much did you understand?
Yes. Yeah. I got it. You just put the cursor where you want it. If I want to go right, I'll push the Control Shift and then the right arrow.
Okay,
Right.
yeah.
Yes.
No, how to copy the any kind of sentence or word?
Yeah, I pretty much got the idea. It depends on what I want to move. I put the cursor right there and use the mouse, the right button on the mouse, and go right or go left, whatever I want to move.
See, one
Right?
more time. One more
Mhm.
time, I'll tell you. anything you want, like why we perform these activity actually,
Mhm,
cut copy paste option.
mhm,
For example, you are working on large quantity of data,
mhm,
like you are working as a data entry operator,
mhm,
working as something data analytic works you are working. So for that person, you need to work on a large quantity of data.
mhm.
Okay. So like, what is your name? Your name is Gary.
Yes. Mhm,
Okay. So sometimes for any kind of application, some word or sentences need to be like some uh, comes with many times. Like for example, Gary word is needs sometimes, like
mhm,
in any kind of application, multiple times we need to use it.
mhm,
So in that case, you don't want to write this word every time. So
mhm,
what you do, you just copy that sentence,
mhm.
and wherever you need it, just paste it here,
Okay.
here,
Right. I got you.
anywhere, wherever
Okay.
it is needed. Okay.
Okay. I got
Not
you.
for particularly for a word. I'm talking about any kind of sentence, any kind of uh,
Right.
paragraph.
Right.
Okay. So now this is it
Copy
about
paste.
cut,
Mhm.
copy, paste. So
Okay.
now moving forward, undo and redo. What is undo and redo? UNDOREDO. Can here any one of you, previously we have worked on these activities. Can you tell me what are these tasks actually?
Redo. Undo. Redo.
UNDOREDO. Undo,
Mhm.
redo. Yes, Sister Marufa, Nahin, whoever else here. Aisha sister is also here. Long time.
Alim bhai, how are you? Assalamu alaikum.
Alhamdulillah. I was actually missing you yesterday.
I'm
I was
so
about to
busy.
ask Nahin sister about you.
Okay, I am so busy. I will talk with you later. Everything. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
So can you tell me what is the actual activity of this task, redo and undo? Why we use?
For undo, if we type something mistake, type something and we don't want it, then we can undo it. Like click right
Yeah.
button and select the undo button, and I do it like that.
Okay. Exactly.
And if we
What about
want to back
redo?
it, if we want to back it again, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Did you get it, Mr. Gary?
Yes. You said she said she would press the undo button, but I'm trying to
See.
figure where's that at.
Okay.
I don't.
Let me show you practically how
Mhm.
it is work actually. See, I have put the cursor over here.
Mhm.
Where here. Now I put your name. I type your name. Something mistakenly typo error. Huh? Like
Mhm.
Gary, double
Mhm.
E, mistakenly.
Mhm.
What I
Mhm.
do, two things I can do here. One thing, I will press on the backspace. There is a backspace button available
Mhm.
on every keyboard. At the top of the keyboard,
Mhm.
you can
I
find
see
back
it. I see it.
like this. Or
Yeah.
even what I do, I press on Control Z option. That will undo the last activity, last action.
Okay.
Undo means removing the last undoing the previous activity. It's nothing but doing the previous action is nothing but undo.
Okay.
What you did previously, it's a undo. Okay.
Okay.
I write
What
Gary.
but yes. Trying. What button did you push?
See, once again. Previously, it was Gary. I wrote uh, before it. What I did Gary double E. Okay, so I
Yes.
want that action to be happened. In that case, what I do, I just press Control Z.
Okay.
Automatically, it will have comes like this. The previous action will happen when you
Okay.
press on Control Z. It is undo. Then what is redo? So you can perform this activity by doing manually by right clicking the menu. See here, undo. Okay.
Mhm. Okay.
Then what is redo? Redo is opposite what you did in undoing, opposite to it action. It is redoing.
Mhm.
I will do practically here. Okay.
Okay.
See, I typed
Mhm.
Gary is looking for an opportunity.
Mhm.
What I do, by mistakenly, I delete this one opportunity. Oh,
Mhm.
that so suddenly I thought, oh, it was a important word to be here.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
what I do, I will press on Control Z.
Control set.
Control Z. So it appears again. It was previously by mistakenly somewhat reason it was deleted.
Right.
Okay. So now what I do, I perform this activity Control Z. It will appear again. Okay. So again, what I think, I don't want this opportunity to be here. I want different word to be here. So what I
Mhm.
do, I will click on Control V option here. Can 1 minute. Sorry. Control Y. Hmm. Uh, Actually, sorry. Redo option is available in Microsoft Word. It is not available in Note. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Only
Okay.
undo option is available here. I'll show you
Okay.
in when we start the Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, how
Okay.
it works actually. So
Mhm.
you got it about undo option, right?
Yes.
Okay. So moving forward, we'll let you know more about the notepad, these common
Mhm.
options. So
Mhm.
in the upside, you can see, these are the options, file, edit, view, help are
Mhm.
available almost in most of the application
Mhm.
in Windows. If you're using uh, Windows operating system, Windows laptop, you can find
Mhm.
these options. So
Okay.
when you click on these options, you can find some amount of specific tasks. Give me a second. See here.
Mhm.
Most of the tasks, whatever available here, you can
Okay.
find on almost in every
O-
application in Windows.
Okay.
New window, open, save as. So what is
Mhm.
new? New means when you click on new, the new notepad will open with empty space. Okay.
Mhm.
Let me open this one. Let me share the whole screen first. See, if I click on new, it will ask for the changes. It will save. If I click on save, we'll talk about save option later.
Mhm.
First, now the new notepad will open like this with empty space. So now talking about open.
Mhm.
Open means whatever you have saved previously or an existing file, if you want to work on, you can click on open. You can check a shortcut key over here, Control plus O, Control plus O on your keyboard. It will open the existing file, previously worked file. Okay, so just now I have saved some file, DSA. So just click on that file and then click on open. So it will open the previous existing file already we have worked previously.
Mhm.
Open. So now what save and save as? So here, what is the difference of save and save as? This question is for a previous student.
Mhm.
Yes, what is the difference between save and save as?
I don't know what is the
Save
difference
as you need to put the name or something, right? And save, just save.
as it is.
Yes. Okay. Save means already you have saved that application with a name and you are working on that particular application and you have added something like I have set this application with a name called DSA already, right? Now I'm adding something. Okay, I have removed this one. Okay, I'm adding this lines regards. Okay, now I want to save this one. So in that case, this save options work. Our shortcut key for saving the application is just a Control plus S. Got it, guys? Especially Mr. Gary.
Yes.
What I did one more time. This was a previously saved application. I open by clicking open option or just by clicking Control plus O. Okay, then I have opened this application by selecting the right file, then click on open. Okay, now what I did, I have added some lines, regard and my name. So before closing this application, I need to save this one. So in that case, this save option will work. Click on save, or either you can press on the shortcut key on our keyboard, Control plus S. So you can able to save your current work by doing this activity. So now come to save as option. So what is save as option? Save as works as like I want this file to be with different name. DS something like, for example, I want to send this file through WhatsApp or email, and I want to put a good title of it, like this is a letter, something like, okay, this is letter to human resource applying for leave, something like that, offer letter, job offer. So in that case, what you'll do, I click on save as option. Save as work as a copy option as well. Here I'm duplicating, I'm creating one more file from this original one. What I'm doing, I am creating a duplicate file or copying another file from the original file with a different name. Okay, what is the previous name? DSA. Now I'm renaming this file as offer letter, something like that. Offer letter for Gary. So click on save. This is how save as option works. So now, once again, what is the difference between save and save as? Save option works as a Like if you are working on a current file and added something, some more sentence, some more word, in that case, if you want to save on the current project, just click on Control S, or by visiting file menu, then click on S.
Mhm.
Okay, so it will save the current action. Save means
But brother, when you save the first time, you have to put the save or save as, like
very
the
first. See,
new document, huh?
for new document, we need to click on Save As, because we did not save with any name. No, first, the very first thing. See,
Yes.
okay, this is the new file. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
working like something we have something that letter, biodata, something we have created. Okay, so on this particular project, first, our very first option to save is, we need to click on Save As option, because we need to give the name to this
Mhm.
project, this file first. Okay,
Mhm.
Gary.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay, now you can, whatever you need to add, whatever you need to add to this particular application, you can do only one activity, that is
Mhm.
save option.
Mhm.
Only save.
Only one activity.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Can you tell me how save and save as works?
All right. With save, just save, you can only do one activity. As save as, you got to go in, put another name to it, and that creates a separate folder, a file. And
Did you got it actually what I told you, what I explained? See, I'm here.
What was the question, brother?
No, I'm asking again him, Mr. Gary, what is the difference between save and save as?
well, I thought I would just
See,
explain it.
yeah,
I
that's
explained it wrong.
simple. Save works as a on the current situation. Whatever the action you have performed currently, like I have added something here, something. So to
Yeah.
save this action, to save this current scenario, I'll use save option. So save works only on the existing document, on the previously saved file. Okay, this
Yes.
save action can works only the previously saved file. And if you are working for a new document, so we need to save perform what is the activity here. If you are working on a new document, then click on Save As to save for the very first time. Got it, guys?
Yes.
If you're not getting that, I can tell you
Yeah.
again,
Save.
brother.
It's the save option. Only the previous save file you
Yes,
can. Yes.
exactly. Okay. So actually, I want to teach you more, but you guys will get confused. Tomorrow, inshallah, I will teach you about notification, how notification area, what is the use of notification area, and what are the items available in notification. Inshallah, I will teach you tomorrow.
So, brother,
On
how many
Monday,
days a week class now?
uh, for this week, it almost we have worked on 4 days. Tomorrow, including tomorrow, it will be 5 days. So from next week, I'll inform you about the timings and days as well, because I'm going to start manual testing from next week, inshallah.
Okay, so tomorrow you have a class 9:30, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Okay. All
So
right.
anyone having any issues, any challenges until here? Worked on 4 days. Tomorrow, including tomorrow,